Okay, so this is a great looking and professional presentation document that I created, but I wasn't using Google Slides or PowerPoint. This document was actually generated in Google Mixboard. So this is a tool that is used to generate some ideas or perhaps some visualization based on the concept or photos that you provided. And this is very useful for designers, marketers, and some other professions. And recently they just added a new feature that lets you create a presentation document based on the pictures and also the resources that you have added into the Mixboard. But this new feature is a bit fussy because I noticed that there are some big requirements that you need to fulfill to actually generate a document. So if you're interested, then let me show you how you can actually create a presentation document like this using Google Mixboard. So let's get into it. First, let's open Google Mixboard. I'll just go to Google and search for Mixboard. Let's open the website and click Get Started. And by the way, this feature is still in the experimental phase, so it's not quite perfect and there could be some bugs and glitches when you're using it, but at least it is now usable in a lot of countries. Now I'll start a new project. And for this example, I'll actually upload some documents and pictures. So I'm going to click this plus button, click upload. And let me just select maybe the document first, and I'm going to repeat the process for the other documents and also the photos. By the way, you should be able to just drag and drop the resources into the Mixboard area, but somehow when I'm doing it, it is not able to do that. It's always failing. And again, that's why earlier I mentioned that this feature or this tool is still in the experimental phase, because you will encounter some unnecessary problems along the way. Okay, let me just upload this and one more picture. There you go. Okay, I guess I'm going to organize these pictures and documents first because, well, it's going to look nice and it's going to be a bit more important later. So let me just drag them together, and we got two PDF documents. Okay, so before we actually able to turn this Mixboard into a presentation, there are some requirements. So basically, you need to make sure that the progress here is hitting 100%. Otherwise, you cannot create the presentation based on these items alone, which is very unfortunate because I think these should be enough to convert into a presentation. But, well, at least at the moment, they need you to make more progress or edit more content using Mixboard. So I guess I will just do it. So let's say I want to create, let's say I want to select 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to click this. And I'm going to, sorry, maybe this one, and I'm going to ask AI to imagine these plants in an office building. So send a message, and after that, you'll notice that it will generate more pictures based on the images and also the documents that you selected. And also, you'll see that the progress will be a bit higher, maybe just several percent more. Okay, 15% more, that's pretty good. But we're not done yet because we still have to reach 100%. But this is essentially just an iterative process. You have to do this multiple times until it is hitting 100%, and only after that you can create the presentation deck. So I guess I'll just now skip it. I'll just skip a while and I'll show you the next step. All right, so I have reached 100% after generating some iterations, and these are just the results. Now, after that, you can click the transfer button right here and select visual deck. And you can also specify the story that you want to tell in the presentation. So I guess I want to focus the benefits of having these plants in a room for a house and also office building. So that's just imagine that I'm a interior designer and I'm promoting people to actually have some plants inside of their room. So that's going to be the core of the presentation. And you can specify the style of the presentation. I guess I want to keep things to be minimalist and professional. Okay, after you have set everything, you can click transform and just wait for this AI tool to convert your Mixboard into a presentation. And this will take quite a bit of time. It is 20 minutes, so we cannot do anything, but don't worry, you can still continue working on the Mixboard, and then if you want to make some changes, you can always create another presentation. So this will take some 20 minutes, so I'll just skip forward and I'll show you what the presentation look like. Okay, so it is actually took a bit less than 20 minutes, and yes, we got the result. I'm going to open it, and okay, just wait for it. Now, if I click present, then that means I can present this document directly on Google Mixboard. So it is actually generating some new asset, which is very good. And yeah, the presentation looks really professional. It is actually going to save you some time when you are creating some ideas and then you want to present that in front of your audience or in the meeting. So yeah, I would say it looks really good. It is utilizing some elements from the Mixboard. Now I'm going to exit, and you can download that as a PDF document, and you can also, just continue the work, and you can make some modification later. But yeah, that's basically how you can generate some presentation document using the Mixboard on Google Mixboard. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.